channel. It's your girl Phace Reed here, back at it again with another video. I was supposed to shoot a video like day one of the new year, but honestly speaking, a lot of things have been transpiring and I have been doing so much as far as the website, as far as selling sneakers curbside, shipping out, getting my own merchandise. Like, it's been hella crazy, and I just had the moment to record, and just like majority of the time when I do record, I am en route to go somewhere else, but I stopped that and put that on pause just so I can get the content out to you guys. So if you are not subscribed to my channel as of yet, what are you doing with your life? I'm gonna give you a second to do that. But yeah, you already know the drill. Subscribe, share it, comment, and put that notification bell on so you guys you can know exactly what's going on and when it's going on. Today is going to be a different type of video. I do not have any sneakers in review for today, but this is going to be the new thing that I'm going to try to do and see how this turns out. But I am opening my first mystery box, guys, and it's straight from Lace Ups and Queens. They have awesome stuff there, guys, and I'm super excited. So you already know how I do. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So this is the box that it comes in, straight laced up by Phace Reed. And if you have no idea who Laced Up is, again, what are you doing with your life? But you can check it out. They have a website, they have an app. Do they have an app? I could be lying, let me retract that. I'm not really sure if they have an app or not, but they do have a website and they do have an Instagram page. This is my first box, and this is not the smallest one. I kind of upped it. I forgot. It's so crazy because I don't know which size I bought. It's just been crazy. Ever since last year, I've just been racking up on a whole bunch of things, and I don't even know what I buy, guys, until it comes in the mail. Even when it comes in the mail, I'm confused as to what it is until I open it. It's just like, oh yeah, I bought that. Forgot. Got me trusty dusty scissors, and we're just gonna start cutting in the box open. Thought I cut myself. Okay, now that that's done, let's open this baby up and see what's going on. So, first package, second package, third package. So there are 3 packages, guys. Also, before I even open anything else, they have blessed me with Supreme stickers. So I like to start with the smallest first. I'm gonna open this one first. I'm kind of excited. Comes up in a laced up bag. Really cute little bag. It's red, it's bold. Like this lip. Yeah. Wrapped up nicely like a Christmas present. Love it, love it. And I can't even remember how much I spent on it. I will put all the information linked below because off the top, I cannot even remember. So we have a size medium Supreme shirt. And this is from Laced Up, letting you know that it's brand new. Supreme blank tee, size medium, $25. Blank means nothing on it, just a regular tee, but it's Supreme. I don't wear a size medium. I actually wear a men's large, but the material of this is really, really good. And onto the second shirt. This is a blue one. It's true. This is that royal true blue. And this is a size medium as well. This is a long sleeve. Hopefully you're seeing it in its entirety. Once again, I do not wear a medium. So we got 2 Supreme shirts, 1 long sleeve, 1 short sleeve. And that was in the first package. We're gonna choose the second one now. And I need to get my nails done like last week. Y'all already know. Sidebar, I went and got my nails done. Rhinestones and everything. I'm not usually that girl to do that, but I went, got them done. So many rhinestones fell off because I went snowboarding and I fell a few times, and I think like 10 rhinestones came off. It was crazy. On to the next one. It's a keychain, Bathing Ape. It says men's on it. I'm not really sure how much this costs, but I will put it in the link description below of everything retail price. So this is cute. Put a little keychain. It's just cute. Also, we have a Bathing Ape shirt, size medium. which we don't have to keep on saying. I don't wear a medium. But yes, shorty could squeeze into a medium. Now don't play, don't play. I could squeeze. But you know, it's just I'm top heavy. Baby Milo tee. Oh, it's not a medium, it's a large. That's my size. You see how I got super excited? I need to chill.
Look right in here, look in there, and you see that you're doing too much.
Very cute. I love it. This is my type of shirt. This is my type of shirt. I like the black, I like the dark. Listen, that's mine. I like that. And we are down to our last one. And this last package happens to be 2 more Supreme, I want to say they're blanks. Okay. Yes, there are 2 more Supreme blank shirts. This matches my lip a little bit. Like it, you know, sometimes you don't always want to have, you know, things splattered on. I can't really speak for myself, really, because I always love a graphic tee. But sometimes you just want to be regular because the rest of my outfit is so up here. I just need to tone it down somewhere. And that's where I think these shirts will come in. This is my size. This is my size. This is a large, guys. You see that? Or you can't see that. Come on. Yeah, make it. I just want to get a close up on my nasty nails. I know how you have to. So yeah, that's a large. The second one is a large as well. So yeah, we have 4 blank tees and 1 baby Milo tee. And you know what, honey? That was the mystery boxes right there. It's level 2. I'm gonna go to the next level and get the next box. And I believe in the next boxes, the higher you get up, that's when you start getting sneakers and things like that. So I cannot wait. I'm super excited for that part right there. My merchandise has actually came in and I'm super excited. I didn't even get to put a lot of them on my website before like half of it sold out. Like I just told them word of mouth and it was flying off the shelves, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you right now. This is the first box that everything came in, and I'm waiting on 2 more shipments of shirts. But just to give you an idea of the shirts and what they have on them. Hello, I'm a sneakerhead, you know? I like that. It's really cute. I thought it was really cute. Hopefully everyone agrees. And I put, you know, me in the back. How cute is that? Love it. Super excited for this merchandise. Here's another one of the shirts. This happens to be a medium. I didn't open it all the way, but it's just the definition of haters. I like this shirt too, really like it, and it only comes in black and white for now because I'm trying to see, you know, what sells and what doesn't. You know me, I have to put my face on one of them, so yes, I did. Here's the one with my face on it. Love it. Who's that girl? Thank God for giving me this energy, this push to keep on moving forward and branching out into so many things. Like I'm getting so many offers to do so many things. It's almost crazy. It's just like surreal to me because I don't feel like I'm there yet. But you know, when God speaks, you listen. So yeah, that's gonna be the video today, guys. I'm gonna definitely try to get another video to you. I actually am going to make the purchase for the next box today. I have super amounts of purchases to make, honestly. Phace Reed's Closet at bigcartel.com. We're gonna have new merchandise coming. We're gonna have socks coming. We're gonna have so much coming. Just bear with me. That's all I can say. Just bear with me because it's a lot. It's a lot. And it's a lot. Okay, so thank you guys for tuning in. And again, if you are not subscribed, please make sure you do so. Share this content. Give it a thumbs up. Put that notification bell on so you can be notified of all the things I got happening for the future for you guys, because that's what I'm doing it for you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.